Namaste guys, this is Khagesh. Today we will learn how to do Padmasana and what is the benefits of Padmasana. So let's start. Come into squat position. Open your knees. Press your knees from your elbows and stay here. This is your first position. Just move your knees like this. Slowly shift your weight from right to left and just move your body like this. Okay, let's move for the next exercise. Come down. Join your both feet together like this. Interlock your finger and catch your big toes and move your knees up and down. Do this exercise at least 1 minute or 2 minutes. If you can touch your knees on the ground, that's been very good. Or if you can't touch your knees on the ground, so just keep going on. Like this. And then gently press your knees on the ground like this. You can press your knees on the ground. Just press your one knee down and then press your other knee from your same hand. Like this. You can practice like this also. Okay, then come into other exercise, pigeon pose. Open your chest, open your shoulders, look forward and stay here. Then slowly come back. Do it the same exercise with other leg. Bend your left leg and slowly twist your right knee, right hip, and touch the right thigh on the ground, this part. Open your chest, look forward. Then slowly come back. Next exercise you have to do, just hold your one leg up like a baby, like we hold babies. So just hold your leg, one leg like this. Hold this position as much as you like. Then change your leg. After the exercise, we are ready to do Padmasana. First we will do Ardha Padmasana, half lotus pose. Just bring your one leg up and hold this position at least, if you are beginner, at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Then you can attempt full lotus pose. Just stay here, spine straight, look forward. Focus on your breath. When you feel comfortable, then choose your other leg and just come into this position, cross leg position. Just lift your right leg up and bring it here. Spine straight again. This is the full lotus pose. Try to touch your both knees on the ground. Spine straight. and relax here. Padmasana will help you to calm your mind and it will improve your awareness and attentiveness. If you have joint pain, so it will help you. After that, if you like, you can do one more practice. Just bring your both palm on the ground, or you have to lift your hips up like this. Utthita Padmasana. Benefits are same like a Padmasana, and it will improve your arm strength also. So you can do this practice. Namaste guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.